You call it misinformation, yung nilabas ni Senator Ping Lacson. But according to the Senator, ang source niya is a congressman itself.
Well, I think this is now the appropriate time that this congressman will have to face Congress or the House of Representatives or even the Senate as an institution. The House of Representatives has already been victimized by the alleged congressman last year who accused the House of Representatives of having mangled the appropriation bill of 2019. Now I think for us to know the truth and for us to know who they are, whether or not they are competent to accuse the House of Representatives or whether they tell the truth or simply misleading our good friend Senator Pampilo Lacson, I think it's time that they present who these congressmen or congressmen are.